inside. I don't wanna waste what's left. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hi Bellas, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel's name is called Rosalia. In today's video, we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to rock these nice, loose, mermaid, Beyonce, I woke up like this hair curls. And all you need is 4 items along with 5 minutes. Literally, this takes me 5 minutes. I know, right? Shocking. We're going to be using a hair tie, and you'll see in the video why. Along with I don't use a hairspray. What I use is a finishing flexible hold spray, and this is by the Got-2-Be brand, and it's called Mind Blowing. You don't have to use this one. You can use a regular hairspray. For my personal preference, I don't like to use a hairspray because I feel like it's too crunchy when you're doing the curls. So that's why I get like a nice flexible holding spray. We're gonna be using this lovely hair serum by Paul Mitchell, and this is my favorite. This is like my go-to OG, I got you girl. Your hair gonna be look nice and shiny today. And this is roughly around $16, I believe, at Ulta. And I like to stock up when they have big hair beauty events, because this is actually 50% off. So when they have that huge hair sale event, this is when I stock up on the Paul Mitchell hair serum. And the Got-2-Be hair flexible holding spray, I believe this is like $5. It's not expensive. Like I said, it doesn't have to be this brand, it could be any brand as long as the flexible holding spray, or even regular hairspray. But like I said earlier, I like to stay away from the hairspray because I feel like it makes my hair crunchy, especially when you want a nice loose curl like this. And then the last thing is this wand. I know there's so many brands out there with the curling wands, but this one's actually from Conair. And I believe this was like $20, $25 at the Rite Aid. And it came with a black glove, so as you're curling your hair, you don't burn your fingers off. I lost that thing. Not only that, I could never actually hold it right. I think I was using it wrong. So any kind of wand, but this is the one I've been using. I had this thing for like, I believe like 5 years now, and it's still holding up. So that's all you need. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you guys want to comment on this hair look, if you guys have any other recommendations on the serum, or even a better holding spray. This is my favorite, but there's always something bigger and better as always. If you guys know of any other brands for the serum or the holding spray and the wand, please feel free to comment below. And if you guys like this nice hair that I got going on, keep on watching this video. Alright, so very simple. You're going to pull up your hair. It doesn't have to be perfect, so we're going to pull it up in a nice ponytail. I already have my curling iron, my curling wand already warming up. So right now I have it set it on 330 degrees Fahrenheit because I don't want to burn my hair off. I don't want to be over here trying to set the curls in, and next thing you know, half of my hair I've already burned it to a crisp. So I'd like to keep it like in a medium setting, not too high, not too low. That way it can hold a curl. So that I already have that going. The hairspray I'm gonna be using is the one from Got-2-Be, and it's actually a finishing spray. So we're gonna be using this as well. As we're curling, we're gonna spray a little bit. That way it's holding in the curl. So very simple. What I do is I divide my hair into maybe 4 to 6 sections. It all depends if I'm in a hurry, how much time I got going on. I'll grab it by section. Bring the wand and just curl it around, curling around the wand. Just like that. Hold it for 10 seconds. 4. Alright, once you hold it for 10 seconds, you still hold the curl. The reason behind it is it still has heat inside, so it's gonna trap the heat. So then what I do is I go ahead and spray it just like that, and then you let it go. Just let it sit there, and then move on to the next section. You may want to brush your hair beforehand when you put it up on a ponytail. I skip that step. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It all depends how my hair is acting up that day. And today seems to be like a good day, so we're good. And same thing, you count to 10 seconds, 10 to 15. I usually keep it around 10. I don't want to burn my hair off. Okay. Hold the curl and spray. Alright, down to the last one. Just wrap it around and count to 10. Okay. Okay. So now you remove the ponytail. And this is where it's gonna create those nice loose curls. So we're just gonna fan them out with your fingers. Also, as I fan out my curls, I just add a little bit of oil just to add a little bit of shine to my hair. And this one is from Paul Mitchell. They're super skinny serum. So just a little pump, not a lot, just a little bit. So as I'm fanning out the curls, I'm also adding that shine to my hair as well. And just like that, you know, just finger through the curls. Just like that. Whatever's left over the oil, I just do it like this. Add a little hairspray to the top of my head to get rid of those flyaways. And then if I feel like I need more curl, I usually just add to the front. I just tighten up that curl to the front. Just do it like this. Just do a quick one. Just like that. And I don't even worry about the end because I don't want it to be like curly towards the end. I just want like a nice loosed out wave. So just same thing, leave it on here for 10 seconds. And let it go. And just remember, I just do this to the front. That way it gives you that illusion that I have those nice loose curls going on. Same thing, once you bring out the wand, still hold the curl. And there you go. Let's do one more. Ooh. All right, that's good. Comb it through with your fingers. Everything is done here with your fingers. If you guys want to add some more curls, I usually, you can, just to give it like a little bit more wave to the back. You know what, let's add some more curls. I normally just like to add, just do the top though. That way it gives me that nice mermaid hair vibe. And usually when I do the top, I just curl from not all the way stuck to my root, and also not all the way to my end. Just the midsection for 10 seconds, and then let go of the curl, let go of the wand, still hold the curl, and then let it go. And then some more fixing spray, and then you just comb it through like that. Just tear it apart, comb through the curl, like, you know, with your fingers, comb out the curls just like that. Let's add one more on this side. You see, it's not attached to my head, so I don't curl it from the root, and then even the end, I just hold on to the end and just hold the curl like that for another 10 seconds. And then take out the wand, still hold the curl. And at this point, I turn off my wand. Never leave curling irons on, because trust me, I am the queen of leaving the curling iron on and burning my my countertop on in my bathroom. Spray it and then just comb it through like that. And then from here, you can spray some more just to hold the curls in. And then give myself some volume like that. And voila, now you got that mermaid hair, or that Beyonce hair. Ooh, all I need is the fan. All right guys, and that is it. That's how I do my nice, loose, wavy mermaid hair curls. It's very simple, especially for that gal that's on the go, but you still want to look nice and put together, still nice and pretty. Many of my coworkers think that I took forever to do this, but really, it's very simple. It's nothing but parting your hair into 6 sections. You know, it's up to you. I normally do 4. It all depends on how much time I got. So I normally do the 6 when I have a little bit more, a few more minutes to spare it, and then touch it up once I let go of the ponytail and I comb through the curl just to add a little bit more wave. My coworkers think that it took me forever. Trust me, it's very quick and simple, but it looks very nice and pretty once you're done with that. And to finish off the look, just add some finishing spray. I don't like my hair to be crunchy, so that's why I get a nice finishing setting spray instead of the actual hairspray. And a little bit of oil just to bring some shine to the hair. As you apply heat to your hair, I feel like it looks dull and like dried out. So I like this nice, I really like this super skinny serum from Paul Mitchell. So it's one of my favorites. Doesn't have to be this one, it could be any other kind of oil, but this is my favorite. Just add a little bit because you don't want your hair to be pulled down and greased down because of the oils. So you want it to be nice and fluffy, as you know, as mine. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, ciao bellas.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. La gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más